What's the meaning of cataphor? Cataphor. Cataphor.
Cataphor. Cataphor. Cataphor is a linguistic term that is used to describe a type of reference in which a word or phrase referred to later in a sentence is mentioned first using a pronoun or other word. This means that the pronoun or other word is used to refer ahead to something that has not yet been explicitly named, creating coherence and connecting elements in a sentence. Cataphors are the opposite of anaphors, which refer back to something that has already been mentioned. This technique is commonly used in writing and speech to create dynamic, flowing sentences that keep listeners or readers engaged and interested.